Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Friday, and we're now on the 22nd of November 2019, about 9:10 a.m. Central Time. Sorry for the mix-up this week in a number of the videos that I couldn't put out. I scratched my cornea. If you've ever done that, it's terrible. And yesterday I saw the eye doctor, did what they had to do, and I'm back to semi-normal, so please put up with that. Let's go, before I get to the charts, let's go to the day's action because it's important. University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index came in at 96.8. That beat the expectation, which was even lower than the prior one of 95.7. The current conditions, 111.6. That beats the 110.9. And the expectation index, 87.3 versus 85.9. Now, this is taking place during the presidential impeachment inquiry. You're not scaring off the consumer. That's a very good sign. Market Group's preliminary November U.S. manufacturing sector purchasing PMI came in at 52.2. October's was 51.3, and they expected 51.4. I'm a little surprised. Manufacturing's been the drag everywhere. Retail sales in Canada fell in September, a tenth from the prior month, but excluding automobile sales data, they were actually up 0.2 from September and August, and that's good news, not bad. President Trump today claimed, and I think rightly so, that the head of the AFL-CIO is putting pressure on Speaker Pelosi to avoid a vote on the U.S.-Mexican trade deal. We've seen that. There's nothing new there. We've seen that in the press. Market Group's November EU service sector PMI was below expectations at 52.5 from last month's 52.2. There's something not right there in the writing. 52.5 was better than 52.2. So I don't know if the word is right there. Market Group's November EU manufacturing PMI was, let me give it to you, 46.6, just above the 46.5, but rebounded from 45.9. So they're stable at least. That's the point that I'm making. And when you're looking at the market today, we have a very mixed bag. Let me tell you my problem with it. For those of you that watch my afternoon videos, you've lost your bullish embedded readings in the stock indices. This rally could have a problem when that occurs. That's all I want to say. It's not a buy-sell recommendation. Gold's still trying to rally, giving up the best gains of the day. Same with the silver market. They're just not holding on to the rallies. The copper market, a little bounces. There's more talk of U.S.-Chinese trade and where's it going to go. The problem is we're at November 22nd. I don't know what the president does about the December 15th date. Does he force it on the Chinese? Does he say they've made enough progress where they can go into early January? Both sides need this done. The question is, what do they get done? Dollar index up a bit today, 98.04 against most of the currencies, which are seeing selling pressure. The grain market's pretty much a wash, not doing much of anything here. Energies, you've had a very strong rebound. It was a crazy week where at the beginning of the week you nose-dove in them, and you've come back. And of course, up 7 cents in natural gas. Are you watching the weather storm coming across the U.S. now? That is what natural gas at this time of the year plays on. And in the bonds and notes, well, sort of flat. The news that we're getting is pretty good that has just come out, so there's no reason for them to get a big fear in them one way or the other. Bitcoin, my friends, cracked through the $7,000 mark, so this market has just swung 30% drop from the recent $10,000 mark. I don't feel bad about what I orally put out on Bloomberg the other day in their Tic-Toc program. You might want to hear that. I want to remind you, I put out special reports, and they're only up 5 days in a row. So I did a special one on the grain market, and so far, it's proving pretty accurate. They only stay up 5 days because I have a shorter-term focus. I'm not trying to call grains into next summer. I'll let the other guys do that. I want to get through the shorter-term part. I want to see what the market's doing on the seasonal, where the price counts are carrying it. Right now we've got more weather coming in that's negative. The corn's not quite out of the field yet. Will the farmers race to get it? What's going to happen? So if you're a grain trader, you might want to take a look at what I've got. It's going to disappear Monday or Tuesday. I can promise you that on the website. It's www.iraepstein.com. Under the word research, you'll see special grain report. If you click here on this icon, if you're watching me on YouTube, it'll be there as well. So with that, I'm Ira. You have a great day, and I will see you all this afternoon with my end of the week market reviews. Take care now.